Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how we can freeze the column in table view. So here I have used a visual called table visual. Here if we can see here I have used three categorical values: product ID, product name, customer name, and then quantity, sales and profit I have used. So here in table visual there is an issue like if we are scrolling to the right, entire row will be shifted to the right. So, but now what we need to do is we need to freeze these three columns, and whenever we are scrolling to the right, we need to see this quantity, sales, and profit. So, to do that, we need to click this metric visual. In table visual we can't do it. So, for that, what we need to do is we need to click this metrics visual, and we will be seeing this hierarchical way. So, if you can see here, no, the rows. Have the categorical value and value have the numerical value. So we need to what we need to do is we need to change this format to the tabular view. So what we can do, we need to go to this visual format visual, go to layout. Here we can find matrix layout, click on this tabular view. So you can see the hierarchical view changed to the column level here, and here we can see the total value here. So for that, to disable that total value, what we can do is we can switch off this column total, and then we can go to this um, row subtotal, and what we can do is we need to switch on this per row level icon. Then what we need to do, click on this product ID, then switch off the subtotal. For each and every categorical value, we need to switch off like this so that the total value will be disabled. And here, if you can see, the minus value is available. For that, what we need to do is we need to go to row header, click switch off this option, plus or minus icon option. So that will be disabled now. And then we need to format this. It is in bold. It is the product ID and product name. It is there in bold, right? So for that, what we need to do is we need to go to row subtotal, go to all, and then go to value. Then switch off this bold so that it didn't apply, right? We need to click on this apply to labels so that the bold value will be unbolded now. So now what we can do is now the column is freeze now. So if you can see here now, the respective quantity we can see for the respective product name customer. So if you can see here now, it is the columns are freeze, the categorical columns are freeze now. So this is how we can freeze the column in matrix visual. Thank you all.